Alright, let's solve this problem we have here. I'm not using Leetcode, I'm using Neatcode. Read the pseudocode if you haven't, and what we're doing here is we're just encoding a list of strings and decoding them. So we're going to create a loop here to make the length of the string a delimiter, which is going to be the hashtag, and the word. And we're going to append that into a string is what we're going to do. So we're going to create it. Well, I already have it pasted there for string and strings, whereas plus equals you got to parse it to a string, the length of that string plus hashtag plus string, and return the result. So what that would give us, for example, if we have this input, is it would give us this for hashtag neat, for hashtag code, and so on and so on and so on. And then it's going to go to decode. So we are going to create a list to hold the output, which is going to be result again. And we're going to initialize a pointer with the value of 0. Now, while the left side, and I'm going to just keep in mind, it is a little bit of a confusing concept. Grab a piece of paper, run through the code, pretend you're a compiler. So while the left side is smaller than the length of the right side, well, not of the right side, just the length overall of the string, then we're going to initialize that the right is equal to the left to begin with, and while we'll explain this real quickly. So let's say we have neef, I guess. While the right side is not equal to the hashtag, we are going to let me just see here if I can toggle visibility. I can control F9. Oh, I still can't type. Okay. Well, it's not equal to that. What we're going to do is write plus equals 1. The reason we're doing that is because we are trying to find the delimiter so we can stop and then count this, which is the index, because we want to know how much length the string is. Alright, I'm just going to go back on those two, and we're going to get the index of the number, not the index, the length of the string right here, which is 4. So how to do that is we got to go the length equals the int. We're going to parse to an integer. So here, this can get a little bit confusing. The reason why we have left and the right, what this means is it is including the left side, but it is exclusive to the right. So the reason why this returns the correct number is because the length, when we start here, is saying the index of the string, the left side, which is currently here on this pointer, and the right, which is right here, it is excluding the right side. So this is not going to be involved, but it's going to keep the left side. So it's going to return the length as 4. That's how that works. Okay, or just don't erase for me. That's fine. And then left equals left equals right plus 1, and the right equals left plus length. And I'll show you what we're doing here. So before let's pretend these lines of codes don't exist yet. The pointer is currently here, and this pointer is currently here. Now pretend these exist. The left now equals the right plus 1. Can you see what we're doing here? Since when we do this, that means that the left side is inclusive, which means this will be here, because that's where we're going to start to include the string. But to do the right one, we need to be the next one over, which is going to be the next string inside the string, the next substring inside of the string. And now, as you can see, we're going to be able to return this. So res.append left and right. And what that would return inside of this here, inside of the result, is it would return neef. Oh, neef. Gosh, I'm so sorry. Neef. That's what return inside there. And now, since the left side is still pointing here, the right side is still pointing here, what we have to do is set the left side equal to the right. So they're both right back at the beginning, and it starts all over. Hashtag code now. And you run through it again. While right is not equal to hashtag, while right is not equal to hashtag, move it over. Now it is equal to hashtag. Now the left, which is currently here, equals the right plus 1. So it's on C. That's the left side. Right equals left plus length. Boom. Goes over there again. And now we get returned code again. That's how it goes. Left equals right. And we're off. Let's run this code. Boom. Good to go.